Hey guys, it's me, Farlam Guy 13, and today we are going to make System Test 7. I have not made any videos in a long time because I just started 5th grade and I didn't think of them in summer vacation. Sorry about that, but now here's System Test 7. Ta-da! We got double trouble today. I was going to use this alarm. This is a rare Siemens, Cerberus Pyrotronics UEC-7 S17W. This is the chime strobe, but the strobe is broken. It was going to be 1575, but no more. So bye-bye. Rest in peace. Okay, we have two guests, and they're both twins. Let's give a warm welcome to Justin and Jose Morales.
I like crackers. I like cheese. We bought them at Stop and Shop.
Okay, you silly too. Okay, so we have two EST Genesis G1RF HDVM Hornstrobe. These are both 24 volt DC, and they're both on 30 candela, and they're red bright. We have a silver version of the Notifier BNG1TS. This one has terminals, and yeah. We're also using a 24 volt DC power supply, but it's plugged in right now. We'll show you it in the collection video. Okay, so these two are in sync sometimes, but sometimes they're not. So, Justin, come on, pull the station. You see, they're in sync now. And this is so scary. They're just too loud. That was loud. Really loud. They both have tape in it. But, yeah. Okay, now I'm going to key activate it. Ready, guys? Close your ears. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Jose, you want to pull it? Or are you just scared? Oh my gosh. Okay. There it is. There are these two really loud Genesis. You guys may think if you guys have these alarms and you guys are like, no, this is not even loud. You guys are going to be in deep trouble because these are loud. If you like 5 of them, wah, wah, wah. Yeah, but this is so loud. But anyways, we're going to end the video. We're going to end the video now. So thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe.
Subscribe!